guys, so today I just wanted to show you how I wash my car. So it's actually filthy at the moment, not sure if that's coming through or not, but because it's ceramic coated it always kind of looks clean, it's always glossy. I wanted to give it a good wash today. I thought I'd show you guys the process that I use. So here's the products I'll use over here. So for cleaning my wheels, which I usually start on, I use a mixture of either this or an iron remover, but today I'll be just using the P&S brake buster. So what I do is I dilute it in a foam cannon, 50-50, with water and this product, and also just keep it in a spray bottle to just load onto the brushes. The brushes, I use this Max Shine brush for the tyres. There's two different sized wheel wallies and just this small brush here. For the car itself, I actually use Concourse or NV Snow. So here it is in the foam cannon. It has about 450 mils water to 50 mils of the product, and then rather than filling up a bucket with it, what I actually do to save a bit of water and make it a lot easier is I dilute it into a spray bottle, 10:1, so this is 900 ml water, 100 ml of the snow product, and then I use this CarPro microfiber mitt. I like that it's white, so I can actually see if I have anything on it that I've picked up that I can rinse off. So yeah, as I said, I don't actually use a bucket full of the car wash, I use the spray bottle. I don't use the bucket at all, so I do the spray bottle with the rinsing off method, which I'll show you how I do shortly. And then I just have just the cheap $100 Ryobi pressure washer from Bunnings that I've upgraded to use a sort of shorty gun with a few adapters to make it all work, one of them being a twist swivel adapter. Makes it a lot easier. So the first step that I actually start with is I rinse the car down. That's what most people would do, but I actually rinse it, then I put the snow foam on, and then I wash it with that snow foam that's sitting on the car. So I have this carport at the back of my house. It's perfect for washing because I don't really get any sun coming on the car. Alright, so I'll get to it and I'll start off with pressure rinse. Okay, let's start with the rinse off. Okay, now the car's fully rinsed down. Move on to the wheels. So I have this brake buster diluted 1:1, and then I'll have a bucket with just some car shampoo and the wheel brushes in it. So I'll soak this area down, try and get it to the guards, tyres, everywhere. Then we'll grab our wheel woolly and just get in the back of the spoke. And grab our smaller one for getting in behind the caliper. And we get this brush. So make sure we get it everywhere possible. Also get our wheel woolly. Get inside the guards. Lastly, our tyre brush. I want to remove all the older tyre dressing and put a new layer on. So okay, and then we'll just give it a rinse off. Now I'll do the other 3 wheels and then move on from there. Okay, so we have the car fully rinsed down, the wheels clean, and now we can put the snow foam on. Okay, so while the snow foam's on, what I'll do is I'll grab my mitt, I'll load it up, and using the snow foam while it's on the car, I'll then wash. And the car's not very dirty, just had a little bit of dust and dirt that had dried in. So with this mitt, what I like about it, so it being white, you can actually see if you've picked up any dirt, anything that will mar the paint before you put it back down. So I like to do the one half, constantly checking the mitt as I go. So I'll do the top, one half the top, the glass on one side, I go up to this line here for the first wipe. And I'll get half the bonnet. So then what I'll do, rather than using a rinse bucket with grit guards, I'll keep them in on my hand, grab the pressure washer, and give it a proper clean like that. Then I'll pick my soap back up. Probably more sprays than I really need, but... And then I'll continue on with the other side of the car. Okay, now we're all washed. We'll do our rinse down. Okay, so I've washed it and rinsed it. Now before we dry it, we want to make it easier to dry, so we want to get rid of all this beading. So we'll just sheet it with the hose. So now we just have these few large beads. It's going to make it a lot easier to dry, rather than having all these little ones everywhere. So I'll just go around the car really quickly with the hose and do that just to make the drying process a bit quicker. Okay guys, all rinsed off and washed. What I like to do after that is I just reverse the car back and forth a few times just to get the rust off the brake rotors before we finish drying them. And so for drying, using the Concourse, or NV as they've been renamed, Tempest drying towel, and just a bit of the quick detailer we mixed up in the previous video, which was the CarPro Echo or Ec2O. So this diluted, so we'll just spray this into our drying towel. I probably sprayed a little bit too much. and we'll just give it the wipe down. So it's really easy to dry since we sheeted all the water off with the hose. So there's the bonnet done. This windscreen. Okay, for the roof, show you how well this drying towel works. And that whole section is now dry. Just a quick wipe over. So this towel actually holds a lot of water. This is the large version. They make a small version, which I also have. So I kind of use more the small version because I don't really need one this big, with the car being coated and the water coming off it so easy. So because we have spread a bit of that quick detailer onto the towel, it's actually helping just add a little bit of extra gloss and just a little bit of protection on top of the ceramic coating. So what I'll do after I go over it with the towel, I'll actually get my leaf blower out and just sort of blow out the hard to reach areas and blow the wheels. As you can see, look how easy it is to dry when you sheet all the water off and when you have a good coating or sealant on the paint. Okay guys, so here's the end result after I've finished washing and drying the car. Just giving a quick walk around in the sun. You see it looks definitely nice and glossy. So thanks for watching the video. If you have any questions, feel free to put them in the comments. And if you've enjoyed watching, please like and subscribe. That'd be great. Okay, so I'll wrap it up here and I'll see you guys next time.